Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make a very powerful face mask for acne and spots, like which can change your skin drastically. But of course, one thing you have to note that beauty starts inside, so you have to make sure that you're taking care of your healthy, you are drinking more water, you are eating healthy, you have positive mental attitude, like don't think too much, don't stress yourself. Yes, take it to the Lord in prayer if you are going through a tough situation. Yes, so you need to take care of your inside body before taking care of the outside, so like the inside will reflect on the outside. So now it's early in the morning and we are taking our water. Water, pure water still remains nature's wonder liquid. Water flushes harmful toxins out of the body. It energizes the body and mind and keeps the body machinery hydrated so that we function optimally. So if you want beautiful skin, make sure that you hydrate. Drink your water on the empty stomach early in the morning, like to cater for the 2.2 liters, which you're supposed to as a woman. So these are the products that we're going to use. We are going to use activated charcoal, raw honey, and aloe vera gel. So like all of these, 2 grams of each. So like charcoal for the skin has unique ability to bind with toxins and impurities. So it's most likely that bacteria, dead cells, oils, and toxins are swept away. So like it pulls toxins out from your skin, so making it a good base for our face mask. Meaning that it's very good for acne-prone skin. Aloe is a common household plant known for its healing properties. Using aloe on the face can help moisturize skin, and using aloe on the face has benefit because its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce pain, swelling, and soreness of wounds or injuries. So it supports the production and release of collagen. It can speed up wound healing time and limit scarring. It is effective in treating fungal and bacteria. It has oxidant effect that can help repair sun damage and slow down aging process of the skin. Raw honey helps balance the bacteria on your skin, which makes it good product to use for acne. So honey speeds up your skin cells healing process. If you have blemishes, honey speed up healing and reduce inflammation. So raw honey is also a natural exfoliator, which means applying it to the face takes off dry, dull skin and reveals new skin growth. So just make sure that you combine your ingredients very well using a spatula. You can even use a spoon. Once it's well combined, then you are ready to use it. So at this point, we are so ready to use it. Of course, I experienced acne as well, but because I've been using these natural products, that they really help me a lot. Like I don't have any acne at the moment, so it will really help your skin. So like I'm starting off on freshly washed face. I had cleansed my face using a cucumber cleanser. You can check that video out, or I'll link it in the description box below. So, and that I like using my hands because I feel like my hands are very gentle on the skin. Yes, as you may be aware, like our face is so sensitive. Yes, so you don't need to be abrasive. But of course, you can use brushes if you are okay with brushes. How often can you apply this mask? Like you can use it once per week, yes, or even twice per week, depending on how your skin is. Yes, make sure that you are consistent. Like for you to see the results, you have to be consistent and you have to be very patient. It's not a one-day thing, like when you use it and then you stop, you are like, it doesn't work. So it takes consistent, yes, and patience. So like continue applying until when you are satisfied with what you are doing. Yes, and of course, like it looks so scary. Like my face looks so scary, isn't it? Yes, but as women, we want our skin to look beautiful. And of course, like using natural products doesn't hurt. It won't like alter your skin color. So this mask is so good for your skin. So that is how much is left. Yes, so you can put that in the fridge and it can last for 1 week. Yes, so now I'm just going to store this in the fridge. And you have to make sure that you leave it on your skin for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Like, as you can see, like it's almost drying. It's been 15 to 20 minutes. So now we are going to rinse. So like I've just rinsed my face. Look at that, dear friends. Have you seen like our face is glowing naturally? So you have to make sure that you moisturize your face after doing this mask. So I'm going in with our cucumber face mist. You can check out the video or I'll link it in the description box below. So cucumber is extremely beneficial to those with irritated and acne-prone skin. It has anti-inflammatory properties, plus it's loaded with vitamin C and folic acid, good for acne. It's so hydrating, like it has 96% of water, so it reduces swelling and puffness, so it's very good. And we're also going in with our carrot oil. Whether you have dry, acne prone skin or sensitive, carrot oil is a great skin saver. It's rich in vitamin A and carotenoids. Carrot oil helps give you skin and natural radiant complexion. It also has high content of antioxidants and help highlight, skin aging, or it reduces skin aging. So apply it gently to your skin. Yes, so like I'm going to link all the products that I've used. Like I've done videos on all of these products that I'm using. You can check them out in the description box below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do so. Click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today, and click on the notification bell so that every time I post, you'll be notified. So like I upload videos every day. So at this point, now I'm going in with our sunscreen. So like sunscreen reduces your risk of cancer. It protects against sunburn, prevents early onset of wrinkles and fine lines. It stops DNA damage and avoid blotching skin and high pigmentation. Yes, so like gently apply it on your skin. Yes, so this is very important. Like even if it's not hot, even in winter, summer, we need to apply our sunscreen on our face. So like it's a topic for another day. Yes. So like sometimes I also use a vitamin C cream on my face or serum. I'm sure one day we are going to formulate vitamin C serum and I'm going to share it on this channel. Yes, and to my 70 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. I really appreciate you. So now we are going to moisturize our lips. So we are going in with our Vaseline. Yes, so I really appreciate for your support. And to my viewers, I really appreciate you too for watching my videos. I know that one day you are going to subscribe. Yes, thank you so much. God bless you. See you in my next video.